Hey guys, welcome back here at LEDworks Philippines. Today's video is all about our K3S LED auxiliary light. We'll do a quick unboxing and we'll clear up some of the confusion about lumens and why lumens shouldn't be the focus when talking about performance on these types of product. So if you want to know more, watch this video until the end, and as a bonus, we'll be giving away discount vouchers that you can use when ordering the K3S LED auxiliary light on our official Lazada store. Inside the box, you get one pair of K3S light, a wiring harness with fuse and built-in relay, a two-way switch to control the light, two sets of mounting brackets, one is a clamp type and the other is a mount type, stainless bolts and washers, rubber strips used when mounting on your crash bars, and some additional installation kits. And lastly, a set of gloves. Let's check out what you get from the other brand. You get a pair of ripper lights, external drivers, and a set of mounting brackets. And pretty much that's it. As you can see, our K3S LED light is complete with everything you need to install and use the product. What is the wattage of your product? How much lumens does it produce? We hear these questions a lot from our customers. Most of us think that knowing the lumens will tell us how good a product will perform. And understandably so. People have been led to believe that all you need to know is the lumen rating of a product. However, that is not always the case. Just like when you're shopping for driving lights, we won't be diving in too deep on the details to avoid confusing you more. Just know that for starters, measuring lumens requires a special equipment which most, if not all other sellers, don't have. And second, measuring lumens on these types of products can't quantify its performance. Most other brands in the market consume about 50 to 60 watts of power, while ours only consume around 30 watts of power. And here, you will see that higher wattage doesn't always mean brighter. The design and materials used also factor in on the overall performance of a product. Here's where it gets interesting. Like what we said earlier, measuring lumens and driving lights doesn't tell you anything about the product. What you should be focusing on is how effective the light's illumination is. We have another video where we compared our K3S LED auxiliary light with a competing product and found that although our product is only 30 watts in power, ours is still 85% brighter when measuring it at 25 meters. But if you must know, let us show you what happens when we measure the lumens on these lights and compare it to a standard halogen bulb. First, lighting up the H for halogen bulb, we get 1,625 lumens on this test. Next is the driving lights, which only reads 1,568 lumens. And if we base it on these results, does it mean that the halogen bulb is brighter than the LED driving lights? I'm sure you would agree that it is not. So as you can see, lumens doesn't work when you want to quantify the performance of a driving light. Instead, we measure its illuminance, which is more accurate in determining which product is effectively brighter. Alright, we hope this video helped you see beyond the marketing claims and cleared up some of the confusion circulating in the market. Know that here at LEDworks Philippines, we always test and validate our products to make sure we are supplying you with quality and real performing products. Before we end this video, and to those who made it this far, as promised, we are giving away discount vouchers for the first 30 customers who will purchase our K3S LED auxiliary lights available at our Lazada official store. Just type bit.ly/K3S200. Again, that's bit.ly/K3S200 to complete your order. Link will also be on the description box. Thank you and ride safe.